Chefman Electric Crepe Maker, Griddle. Prices temperature control for perfect blinds, packs, eggs, bacon, and more 12-inch non-stick grill pan includes butter spreader and spatula black version. Specific feature: cast iron griddle, color crepe mark, version 1, material aluminium, brand Chefman, product 12 inches diameter and 12 inches width and 3.36 height. Is dimension this product: wattage 1000 watt, item weight 3.31 pounds, voltage 120. About this product: get BRUNCHIN. Skip the brunch line and wipe up delicious coffee quality crepe right at home. With the Chefman Electric Crepe Maker and Griddle, you can quickly and easily make crepes, Blintzes, pancake, omelette, hash brown, and many more breakfast favorites. This multifunction crepe pan also double as a griddle, so you can use it day and night. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner will be easier and more fun than ever.